It's a privilege to extend to each of you my most sincere welcome on this opening of our Kennedy Institute of Ethics 50th Anniversary Bioethics Symposium. And I wish to offer my gratitude to the director of our Kennedy Institute of Ethics, Dr. Dan Sulmazy, for convening this gathering today. The symposium has been planned in collaboration with our Pellegrino Center for Clinical Bioethics, led by Father Miles Sheehan. We couldn't ask for two more wonderful colleagues than Dan and Miles, working in collaboration to advance the study of bioethics and its place here at Georgetown. At this moment, we're honoring the 30th anniversary of the Pellegrino Center and the 50th anniversary of the Kennedy Institute of Ethics. Over the past 5 decades, we have had the extraordinary privilege of being the home for some of the world's foremost scholars of bioethics, those who are responsible for the development of the field. The late Ed Pellegrino, Bob Veach, Father Richard McCormick, Father John Langen, and some of our emeritus faculty, Tom L. Beecham, Leroy Walters, and most recently retired Madison Powers. A new generation of scholars at KIE is continuing this work in outstanding ways. Sean Ass, John Keown, Quill Kukla, Maggie Little, Joel Reynolds, Henry Richardson, Karen Storr, and our KIE director, Dan Sulmazy. And we are excited to have recently welcomed Father Gael Giraud into our community to lead our new environmental justice program. For these colleagues and all of the speakers and participants in this symposium, thank you for being a part of this special anniversary gathering. Over this period, the KIE has become home to some of the most valuable resources to study and teach bioethics. The Bioethics Research Library, with more than 30,000 books, hundreds of archival and other research materials on topics ranging from religion and philosophy to politics and culture, can be accessed around the world. The Ethics Lab brings a hands-on approach to ethics, reaching hundreds of students in nearly every school at Georgetown, reimagining what an ethics course can look like and the practical experiences that can transform how our students engage complex moral problems. Our annual intensive bioethics course has become an integral part of our bioethics offerings and learning resources. Over the course of decades, thousands of healthcare professionals, policymakers, and researchers have shared experiences in the course. The symposium will also share our work around an exciting new campus-wide network, what we're calling the Emergent Ethics Network, led by our KIE and our Pellegrino Center, and new areas that focus on data and complemented by the recent launch of our Georgetown Environmental Justice Program. Before we begin our discussions, I wish to share my appreciation with all of you for participating in our symposium. And you have my very best wishes for this remarkable next chapter for the Kennedy Institute of Ethics at Georgetown.